In this video, let's learn the process of setting up the workspace in ClickUp for organized project management. This video is brought to you by Software Horsepower. The first step is to log in to the ClickUp account, and from the left bar click on to the profile picture, select Add Workspace. Workspaces are like separate areas for different teams or projects. Usually, workspaces are created for the different companies. Here, one can do various changes with their workspace, like name their workspace, customize their workspace. Also can choose an avatar and the color. The next step is to choose the people in the workspace and other details like any tools if required. Now, one is ready to play and explore the ClickUp software. Here, the new workspace is created. In the workspace, one can create spaces from the left side of the bar. These are high-level categories for work like departments or different types of project types. Like for the HR department, one can create another space. For the production department, also another space can be created. For creating the space, just click on the left bar, and under the space heading, various folders can be created. Folders further organize the work and can represent project or subcategories. After that, one can create a task or can create a list as well. List can group related tasks, while tasks represent specific work items. From the Create list, one can create the folders. There are various ready-to-go templates given which can be used by the user. Or, one can create their own folder list from here. One can create their tasks after creating and setting up a workspace folder, list and task. One can create different views in ClickUp like list, board, calendar, and also can customize the workspace view based on one's preferences and workflow. There are many views from which one can choose. One can put up the automations as well into the workspace to automate the processes. And also can explore this automation option to automate repetitive tasks and processes. Here new automations can be created. There are custom fields one can create. Customize task detail with fields tailored to one's needs. Then one can create various dashboards for the workspace as well. One has to click the plus button and a customized dashboard can be created. One can create a dashboard to visualize workspace data and track project progress. There are various templates also given for creating the dashboards, or also can create their custom dashboard as well. Tasks can be created on the basis of assignees. So if one chooses this task from the assignees at the cart, here in the dashboard this cart will be added and one can see the task according to the assignees. For more information on the product, book a demo now. Or visit softwarehorsepower.com.